Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Tibaldi Goes Modworks, and here we have part 2 of Tamiya's 148 scale Steyr 1500 Commander Wagon build. As you can see, she's all painted and detailed now. Obviously we've got the glazing in on one side. Obviously I went for a test fit first. I cheated. Oops. So we'll get the parts we need. Back door, the doors, yes, we painted those. Remove the windows. 1, 2, they are handed to go in, and that's the sprue done. And this is where it all goes horribly wrong. Now the beauty of using blue and glaze is you can do the windows quite quickly. In theory. Let's stick that one down there. I'm just going to put some more stuff on here because it's gone a bit it's cured quite quickly. It sets quite quickly. I thought I'd just come down here and do this because obviously the Lysander's been taking up most of my time. I kept falling over this kit. So they're both done, both windows on. So there we have the handy door cards. Sitting in there like that. Now get the old touch and flow going with the glue in there. Like so. And on the other end. There we go. Straighten the windows up a bit. Right. Get the old so this in theory is a clip-in door. Like so. Oops. And what I will point out, this window is very clever. That goes in the back of the hood. Has a little tag on there to point it goes to this side, so obviously you can fit it in there. Obviously you can see all this. It's a bit smeary because I've cleaned it up, tried to clean it up when it's wet. And there we go. Et voila. Then we have the general. And we have the said driver who's asleep. So, yeah. Yeah, so that's that. Obviously, fitted all the lights and everything on here. Fitted the fuel tanks. Just got the flags to do on here, and then we got to camouflage it. Ooh, misses. So I'll pause it there, and we'll have a swearage at the doors. I think I know why they're not going in properly. I think the panels were a bit wonky, so I'll tweak them out a bit. So I'll see you in a bit. So I've got the upright post in there, and the roof goes on okay. Front windscreen's a little bit. Might well have to adjust that with a little bit of tiny bit of glue and glaze, and tape it down to the glazing, but not a problem. But yeah, coming along great. Next up will be the camo stuff with the squiggly lines. So I'll do those with those. And yeah, so that's all for this part. I think pretty much is all for this part. So as you can see, my little Steyr is done. No flags. I haven't fitted the flag set. They've got decals on both sides of them. So yeah, right. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.